Covent Garden, which is just one of my favourite places to come. For those of you who are fans of My Fair Lady, this is where Eliza Doolittle first met Henry Higgins and her life changed. I'm standing just outside the Royal Opera House, which is in front of me, so you guys can't see it, waiting for my husband, who's just finishing off a project that he started here last summer with their IT. He told me when he was in there that he was absolutely blown away by all the costumes that they had. They have a whole floor, it's a 5-level building, and they have one whole level dedicated to costumes. And that kind of got me thinking about my clothes and maybe how I could do with a whole floor dedicated to my clothes. So today I want you to think about what you're doing with your clothes. Have you got too many? Spring is here, we're just kind of in a change of season, so before you put your winter clothes away, maybe go through them, see if any you didn't wear or you don't like anymore. As you get the spring clothes out and into summer, review those. Are there any there that you really don't like anymore? And let them go. Bless somebody else's life with them. Give them away to Goodwill or to someone who maybe is less fortunate than you, whatever you think is good. I'm going to go now and just take some time just to wander around my favourite place in London and then meet my husband. You all have a great day, ladies. Bye-bye.